friend, we're out on the highway each day. When we're on the road with you have a load, it's just a game that we play. Through rain and through sunshine, through ice and through snow, we're happy wherever we go.
Hey folks, we'll film this today in front of the original Highway Hilton. Hi. We've run into a couple little hiccups, but I think this is a major hiccup. It's from the court. I'm afraid to open it. I have a feeling I know what it is. I'm opening it right now with Mom's envelope opener. Come on. Several juror questionnaires, well, I got to send it in by the 25th, so today's the 26th. Oh boy. Well, it isn't what I thought it was. I'm not summoned for jury duty, but they want a questionnaire, so I guess I got to fill it out. I hope it has to be in by the 25th, and today's the 26th. It's the first one I got. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. Well, okay, that's it. Yeah, I'm back again. I read it a little bit closer. Yeah, I got a report tomorrow morning, the 27th of May, to the jury selection room. I don't know what happened, how you got this last week. Well, that and the other hiccups. Hopefully it doesn't delay me too much. Okay. I'm not really in much of a mood to say boogie boogie bye bye, but that's it. Okay. Cut.
Been my friend, both time and again. It's always been my truck and me. We do it again, through thick and through thin. My truck and me are